Hello everyone, welcome to Tejika Insights. In this short video, we are going to look at a very quick installation of one of the most common observability stacks in Kubernetes, the Prometheus Grafana stack. The Prometheus Grafana stack is very well known in the Kubernetes community, but more often, people struggle to get it installed quickly due to the variety of options available for installation. In this quick video, I will demonstrate a very easy and straightforward installation using the Prometheus Operator helm chart. This is perhaps the most easy way to get started as well. So let's begin. So what you see on screen is the Prometheus website, prometheus.io. The most easiest way is to get started with Prometheus Operator. So we can get hold of the Prometheus Operator from this website, prometheusoperator.dev. So this is the landing page for the Prometheus Operator website. If you go to the Get Started section, you can clearly see that there are these links, getting started links on the side. So going into the installing Prometheus Operator, you see three options here. So today we will just look at the Helm chart one. All right, so in order to start the installation, you can directly head over to the charts README. So there are other useful links as well here. You can browse through it, but this is the most important one that you might want to look at. So if you go directly into the charts README here, you can see that it directly talks about how to get this chart into your machine and get going, right? So let's try to install it along the way. So let's get the link for the charts. So I'm basically taking these commands, going into the browser, going into the terminal, sorry, then just running these commands. So as you can see, the Prometheus, I have already added it, so it is saying it is already existing. I just updated the repo here. So now I am good to start the installation, right? So let me take the installation link here. So let's take this thing. So you might want to install it into a particular namespace, right? So you can have the namespace here. I am just calling it as the Prometheus stack, and I'll just pass the create namespace flag. And you might want to give a proper release name. So I'm heading over to the release name here and giving it as, again, Prometheus stack release. All right. So yeah, so let's try to install it. So it takes some time. So I'm heading over to K9s and trying to see, okay, it has already created the Prometheus stack here. So this is the K9s window. I have already have my cluster running and it is connected to this K9s client. So you can see that the Prometheus stack namespace has been created in 16 seconds, 18 seconds, still counting. I'm going into it. You can see a bunch of pods already running in it. You can see that the node exporter, cube state metrics, the alert manager, and the Prometheus itself is running in here, right? So this is a very cool way to get started very, very quickly. And also you can see that the Grafana pod is also running, which means the dashboarding tool is also running now, right? So how do you quickly access it in the local? So if you are in a cluster where you want to expose it via ingress, you can have the corresponding configurations to do that. So if I head over to the services here, so you can see that there is a Grafana service here. So if you want to expose this service via an ingress, you can very well do that. So right now, in order to just test this installation, I'm just trying to do a port forward. Okay, I can simply hit Shift F to do a port forward from the K9s screen itself. So I'm just doing that. Okay, now I should be able to access the application in localhost 3000. Yes. Okay, so now you need the username and password. The quickest way to find out is, again, go back to the cluster. So if you go into the secrets here, you can quickly look at the Prometheus stack release Grafana. So that's the one. So you see the admin password and admin user here. But as you can see, this is encoded. So I'll just hit X for decoding it. As you can see, admin is the username and prom-operator is the password. So that will be the default password when you install it using the operator, right? So let's type in the password. All right, we are in Grafana and you can see that it is up and running with all the dashboards in here. Let's go into the dashboards. So you can see that all the default dashboards are already installed, which is kind of very cool. You have the node exporter dashboards as well as all the Kubernetes networking and compute resources already in here. Let's go into the ports one. Let me go into another one, cube system. Okay, you can already see all these graphs coming up, right? So let's go into 5 minutes. Very cool. So you can see that with very less effort, we could bring up this stack and have all these dashboards installed and get started, right? So that is why the Prometheus operator stack is really powerful. So next time you're after installation of the Prometheus Grafana stack, please do follow these steps. It will be really easy and very straightforward. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.